In May 1967, Jerusalem Mayor Teddy Kollek had personally asked Naomi Shemer to write a song about Jerusalem for an upcoming singing contest. The song was a success, and Israelis loved it as it spoke about their love for Jerusalem and their hopes and dreams to one day unify the city. Just a few weeks later, the Six-Day War broke out.
The war began on the 5th of June 1967, and 2 days later, on the 7th of June, after one of the toughest battles of this war, the Israeli forces took control of the old city of Jerusalem and freed it from the Jordanians. On the same day, Naomi Shemer was approached by many people asking her to make changes to her song, for Jerusalem was now no longer out of reach. Jerusalem was in the hands of the Jewish people. She added 2 verses, emphasizing the return to Jerusalem, to the old city, to the Shuk, and the meaning of blowing the shofar on Har Habayit, the Temple Mount.
Tell them I